South?
Oh, no.
How did you get...
I was at the slaughterhouse. I got another work there. My grandfather, too.
Oh, that gun's no good.
I was a sledge. See, that was better. They died better that way. With the new way people put on a job. Look. Jeez. They take the head and they boil it, except for the tongue. And they scrape all the flesh. They use everything. They don't throw nothing away. They use the jowls and the muscles and the eyes and the ligaments and everything. Boil it down into a big jelly of fat. Wow. It's really good. You like it?
It sounds horrible. No, I wouldn't, and I wish you'd stop talking. What are you doing?
Oh, come on.
Oh, what? Oh, my God. How did you do that?
Drinking coffee, watching women.
I have this knife. You could take me to my house. I lived right off this road.
Well, I
Real close.
Well, couldn't you just...
You could have dinner with us. You like head cheese. My brother makes it real good. You like it.
I think we better push on, man.
It's a nice picture. You can pay me now. It's a good picture.
No, man. Frankly, give it...
Watching women walk by. Color of her hair, not the reason that I stay, but I always leave.
Hey, Jerry, pull this over. Hey, man, what is it? What are you doing?
Little cool.
Come here, you nap-haired idiot!
No.
Where are you been?
I've been out on the road.
You damn fool, you almost got caught over a dude.
No, they didn't see me. They don't know nothing.
I told you to stay away from that graveyard. I told you never to leave your
your brother alone, you... Get in there and get that girl out of the car. Get her out of there, Kurt. Get her out of there. Hope that your brother didn't let any of those kids get away with it. Get her in there. The whole county asks you. Have you got any self-respect? Look what your brother did to that door. Yeah, he got no pride in his home. Get her in there. We were just having fun. You think this is a party?
Please. You know he can't.
Can't be helped, young lady. You don't mind.
You gotta make us stop.
The cook. You let it be. You're just a cook. Shut your mouth. Understand nothing. I understand you ain't nothing. I just can't take no pleasure in killing. There's just some things you gotta do. Don't mean you have to like it. Need to torture the poor girl. You just shut up. Remember, you're to him. I'll handle this. I won't have this. We. No sense in waiting. I gotta open up. I've been thinking about letting Grandpa have some fun. You always said he's the best. He's the best, all right.
Just let him have a whack.
We're gonna let you have this one. Just hush. Yeah, it won't hurt none. Old Grandpa's the best killer to ever. Now don't you cry none. Come on! Give me the hammer. Get her, Grandpa! Come on. Give me the hammer!